When Sony launched the original FX3 in February 2021, it wasn't just releasing another mirrorless camera, it was making a bold statement. The FX3 bridged the gap between cinema-grade performance and handheld portability, packing powerful video capabilities into a body small enough to fit in a travel bag. Designed with content creators, indie filmmakers, and on-the-go professionals in mind, it quickly became a favorite for those who needed cinema-level tools without the bulk of traditional rigs. What made the FX3 special wasn't just its specs, it was the form factor. Think top handle, active cooling system, tally lights, and video focus controls, all things you wouldn't normally find in Sony's Alpha series. Yet, underneath the body, it shared the heart of an A7S III, offering the same incredible low-light performance and clean 4K video. Fast forward to 2025, and all eyes are now on its rumored successor, unofficially called the FX3 Mark II or FX3 II. Expectations are sky-high, and the buzz suggests this isn't just a minor refresh. According to industry chatter, this camera could go beyond being an upgrade. It might actually replace the upcoming A7S4 altogether, signaling a major consolidation in Sony's camera strategy. So, why would Sony merge these two lines? It makes sense when you look at the market. The boundaries between hybrid mirrorless cameras and cinema gear are becoming increasingly blurry. Today's creators want one camera that does it all: high frame rate video, top-tier audio input, pro-level color depth, and compact handling. If Sony can bring the best of both worlds into one product, it could dominate the mid-tier cinema camera space. One of the most exciting rumors is the possible inclusion of a 12MP global shutter sensor. This would be a huge leap. Global shutters completely eliminate rolling shutter effects, which are common when filming fast movement or quick pans. That means cleaner motion, crisper frames, and fewer distortions during action scenes. But there's a trade-off. Global shutters sometimes limit dynamic range and low-light performance. Sony would have to walk a fine line to avoid disappointing its base of low-light lovers. Other reports suggest the FX3 II might use a partially stacked sensor, similar to what Nikon is doing with its Z6 III. This approach can improve readout speed, reduce latency, and offer better performance during high-speed recording, possibly allowing for 4K at 120 frames per second without a crop, or even higher bit depth options for color grading in post. And then there's the wish list from the creator community. Built-in electronic ND filters for shooting outdoors without fiddling with accessories. Improved Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for seamless wireless mic connectivity and camera control apps. Ability to shoot in 12-bit or 14-bit 4K at 50/60th, no crop. Even smoother active stabilization with less crop and more cinematic motion. A bump to a 20MP sensor for more usable still images without sacrificing video quality. Internal RAW recording, giving you maximum flexibility without needing external recorders. If Sony nails even half of these features, the FX3 II could be a game-changer, not just for filmmakers, but for solo creators, YouTubers, and professionals looking for a lightweight, do-it-all system. However, if the FX3 II does fully replace the A7S series, it may leave some traditionalists missing the old ways, especially if global shutter compromises low-light ability or dynamic range. Still, one thing is certain: Sony is doubling down on hybrid content creation. The FX3 II, if it lives up to the hype, could be the ultimate blend of power, portability, and precision. So, Sony's feature-packed FX3 II is a next-gen medium format monster? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more camera news and deep dives just like this.